And the next thing we're going to add to that is our good old Sambal Oelek that we were talking about. Look for it. So whenever you're out and about, even if you don't need it at the time, just look for it. Get a place where you know is always going to have it at a good price and just pick it up. And once it's open, I mean, this thing's going to last a year in your refrigerator. But what is it about the Sambal Oelek? Instead of dry crushed chilies, it's liquid crushed chilies. So it's already hydrated. So you don't need to wait for these things to rehydrate, to release their punch, to release their flavor. You had a pot of chili going on the stove and you put in dry crushed chilies, you literally have to simmer that before you can even taste it to figure out how hot or how flavorful it's going to be. So you add Sambal Oelek, you taste it, you're done. It's that simple. It's fast, it's easy. I know you guys had it already because we always talk about it. So use that instead. So we're using a full tablespoon. This is where, again, you want to adjust your heat. If you don't want it as hot, use less. And you can always stir some more in at the end if you want. It's not going to be exactly the same, but pretty close. And always remember that Sambal Oelek, just like it's spelled on the recipe, not Sandra Bullock, although she's hot too.